Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I'm going to get my week of groceries, and one of my absolute favorite Aldi non-grocery items that I buy on a regular basis, I've heard they're reformulating, and I don't want any part of the reformulation because I like it as is. So I'm stocking up on that. I'm hoping I'm not late to do that because I know many people are going to miss this product. So let's get in. Hopefully I can get like at least 3 of each and get my week of groceries. And don't forget, at the end I'll share with you my meal plan, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, I absolutely love these to snack on. My son likes them too. We took a little break, he was getting sick of them, but I'm gonna get them again. Super simple to put in his lunches without the shell. $4.09 for the bag. Freeze-dried strawberries, $3.29. Elsie just loves these, and they're so simple to put in lunches. I need tortilla chips for Kel's lunches, $1.99, and we're also running low on the salsa con queso, $1.99 for that as well. I need white bread just for toast, grilled cheese, very basic things, $1.29. We are having hot dogs, trying to get stuff out of my freezer, and I have a lot of frozen hot dogs, $1.29 for buns. I can't believe it, there's actually yellow bananas here, so I'm gonna get a bunch at 34 cents a pound. I'm going to get a few more mangoes. They're $1.49 a piece. We all love them. $1.99 for garlic and 85 cents for cilantro. I need both of these for butter chicken. Last week someone commented that they love radishes on their salad, and that actually sounded super good. My kids actually like radishes as well, so a nice peppery addition, $1.49. We got a Blackstone grill last week, and I'm gonna make Brussels sprouts as part of one of our dinners on them, $2.89. We've been trying to eat a lot more salads, which means I keep buying lettuce every week. Fine by me. Just gotta look for ones that are a little less brown than others. $2.89. Getting spinach to go with our salads, $1.49. I'm also getting sweet corn. My son asked me if we could get this again. It's $3.45. Actually, I'm gonna wait for Meijer because I am going to Meijer after this, and I'm hoping they actually have sweet corn in the husk. It'll be a better price and fresher, so we'll see if, hopefully I don't regret that. Mini cucumbers for the kids' lunches, $1.89. My oldest daughter loves Honeycrisp apples, 2 pounds for $3, so I'll get a bag of these. She'll be very happy. A dozen eggs, $2.05. $2.59 for a gallon of milk. I need heavy cream for butter chicken, $5.19. Getting low-fat cottage cheese, it's $2.49, but I will say I like the 4% better. Just sometimes if you're going low-calorie, this works out. We use and love a lot of butter. I'm getting spread butter. I like this one with the olive oil and sea salt, $3.69, and then also a thing of butter, 4 sticks for $3.69. I am out of onions, $2.09. I'm gonna grill some of these up for hot dogs this week. I'm very excited about that. Making butter chicken. I'm going to get 2 things of the fire roasted tomatoes, $1.15 a piece. I really like the fire roasted. And this is my official plea to Aldi. Why can't all of the cans have a pull tab? I don't know why every week I still hope to see beets. We don't have beets, but they did have sauerkraut. I love this for hot dogs, $1.59. Getting more grape tomatoes. They're good for the kids' lunches, salads, our burger tacos we're making, $2.69. We are running out on barbecue sauce, and my daughter that's vegetarian likes to put it on top of rice or mashed potatoes, different things. $1.45. I'm trying to eat more protein. This is 42 grams of protein in the entire bag. I'm gonna be honest, I can't imagine that it actually tastes good, but I'm gonna give it a whirl, $2.99. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these. That just seems almost too good to be true. So we have a lot of empty spaces here, but I like this bar cart. I think that's pretty cool for outside. They have outdoor poofs, different pillow patterns. The rugs are gone. They have pots, lots of cool things here. We'll add this to the list of things that I think is so cute from Aldi, but I'm not going to get the glass decanter. $6.99. They have really pretty stemware, glass, different ice buckets, a wine and beverage cooler, lots of different cool things. These are really pretty candles. My daughter would love those. She's very into candles. This one I bet smells good. Coconut cloud. Whoops. $4.99. Different glassware, $4.99 or $5.99. That's pretty. Hanging ceramic planters. Different cute metal signs. Well, that's a major bummer. This is literally the only one they have left. They don't even have a spot for it. This is what I wanted to get. They must have probably cleared them out. I'm really bummed because I love this stuff, and the fact that they're reformulating, I don't know if it's going to work as well. I just like it. I want it to stay the same, but I'm gonna get the last one they have. I was hoping to get 3-day cream, 3-night creams at least. Fingers crossed the replacement is pretty good because I love this stuff. I do need these. I'm glad these are back. They were gone for a long time, but $3.45. We are making smash burger tacos, and I'm going to get, let's see here. I would get this because it's cheaper, but I don't want to get that much, and I'll probably have these. This is $6.56. I'll leave this one for obvious price reasons, but I'm gonna half this, and then we will have meat, and you grill it with a taco shell. I'm actually pretty excited. I did it once before, but now that we have a Blackstone, I have even more room for it, so I know it'll be great. $4.79 per pound, $6.56 total. Now this is something that I would be excited. I've never made ribs. I am literally the only one in my family that would even consider to eat it, so I'm gonna leave it, but that would be a great deal for someone. Okay, so my daughter loved the atomic dill last week. Of course, they don't have them again, but we'll get the regular dill chips. She didn't mind me packing them, which I thought she would. So as long as I pack them, they're fine. I am bummed we don't have these ones, but this will be good. $4.19. Hopefully the atomic are back next week. I'm gonna get a couple of these. They're low-calorie drinks. I'm gonna get a pink grapefruit, 55 cents. And I'm gonna get a cherry limeade and a lemonade, just for variety, 55 cents. These are 89 cents a piece. I am running very low on my unflavored, so I'm gonna get 6 of them. I see them, white caps. I'm also gonna grab 2 lemon limes, 89 cents as well, but here's the tip for you. If you have a bag, you can just load them right in there and then just scan the same bottle multiple times, and I don't have to rebag that. I do self-checkout though. I used the last of my garlic powder yesterday. This is one of our frequent flyers, 99 cents. I'm getting a can of the German bean soup just to have an easy lunch on hand, $2.79. A few more hams this week, but very empty down here. There's not a lot of new stuff. I have a feeling my Aldi is pretty picked over. There's ducks and turkeys. Not much in terms of the pizzas either. I still think this looks really good. The goat cheese and fig. There's crab cakes, meatloaf, salmon, more crab cakes, air fried crispy. I still am working through the giant box of tenders. I don't know why I do that to myself. They never get eaten quickly, and then it takes up so much. I am going to get 2 of these Parmesan cheeses. I want to fry some of it on our Blackstone with pickles, $2.35. I need hummus for Elsie's lunch, $2.49. I'm going to use the thick cut medium cheddar for our taco burgers, $2.29. I thought these looked pretty good. I'm not going to get them because the price seems a little high, but they're okay to eat raw. Yummy, $5.49. And then I thought these were interesting. Different soups. Thai style coconut chicken soup. Now that sounds amazing to me. I love coconut sauces, my family won't do it. Chicken queso soup. And they have a beef vegetable soup. They're $4.99 a piece. I'm gonna try making fries on my Blackstone, and they have seasoned fries, but I actually want to try the crinkle cut, and I'll put seasonings on as I'm cooking them. $2.79. Now I generally buy the steamed broccoli for my butter chicken meals, one for each night, and it's $1.09, but I found 3 bags in my freezer. I also found my cauliflower rice, which they don't even have, so I'm glad I have some. Oh no, here it is. I usually buy this for butter chicken as well, but I found some of that in my freezer as well. So using up freezer, opening up space, making good meals. My husband asked me to get a pail of vanilla ice cream, $6.49. Now here's something you don't see every day, a wheelbarrow made of fabric, and it's only no, that is not the right price, it's $34.99. More gardening tools, that's cool. $9.99 for a garden knife, and mini shears for $4.99. Okay, here is my cart. Reminder, I'm trying to use a lot of things from my freezer, so it's a little smaller than normal, which I appreciate. Have some extras in here, but any guess on my total? Okay, my total is $117.90. Now I'm going to stop at Meijer for a few things. Really hoping they have fresh sweet corn and just a few other items to get. So let's go there. It is such a beautiful day here in Michigan. We have an entire sushi area now at Meijer. I love veggie rolls. 320 calories. They have a whole bunch of different sushi here. I'm getting one of these for a grab and go lunch. They're 4 for $5. They're on sale for $1.25. Meijer has a really good selection of things to pack for lunches. Be really good. Okay, $4.29 for ground ginger, butter chicken staple. So unfortunately, they don't have sweet corn here. So since I passed it up at Aldi, I don't think it's worth going back. I actually have a bag of sweet corn in my freezer. So we'll have that and just wait for sweet corn season. It's so good when it's fresh and in the husk. And then it's also really inexpensive. So sweet corn season is coming. We'll just have to wait. Okay, I'm getting this for a new piercing. My daughter and I each got our helix pierced on our ear yesterday, and we need a wound wash saline. So I'm gonna get this, $4.89. I'm tempted with 70% off, but I don't know it's 70% off of what. I am such a sucker for Squishmallows. I am gonna get 3 of these, only if they're 70% off, but I don't know the price. Okay, a few random items added, but here's my Meijer haul. Any guess on the total?
Welcome. Please scan your first
Okay,
item.
moment of truth. Yes, I will get them for $1.79. To be honest, my kids love these, but so do I. They're so cute. 25 on the dot. Okay, our meal plan for the week. Monday, I'm making butter chicken. This is using so many items from my freezer, and bonus, I get to use double the items because I'm going to use 2 packs of naan and 2 packs of broccoli and a giant pack of cauliflower rice. Because we're having it again on Thursday, I make a giant batch, and then some of the stuff I make twice. So we'll have it 2 nights. Tomorrow night, we are having Pizza Hut because my school is having a fundraiser there. We've been doing a lot of fundraisers lately for kids to go to Washington, D.C. next year. So of course we're going to support it, and I'm going to have salads at home with the pizza. Wednesday, we're making breakfast on our Blackstone. We were going to do that this past weekend, but we ended up having leftovers instead. We had so much food to eat up. Friday, I'm making smash burger tacos. You take burger patties and you put a tortilla on top, and then you kind of smash them down and you fry it on both sides, and then you load it with whatever toppings you'd like it were a burger. I saw these last year online. I made them. They were really good, and we have a lot of tortillas to use up, so I thought that'd be a good meal. I'm also going to make Brussels sprouts on the Blackstone. I'm really trying to acquaint myself and get used to using the Blackstone, so we're doing hot dogs, I'm gonna do sweet corn, just the steaming, so not the ears of corn like I was hoping, but then I'm gonna make seasoned fries on the Blackstone. And then Sunday, we're gonna do a fend for yourself or leftover night, depending on which one. So if it's fend for yourself, basically whatever we have in the fridge, pantry, freezer, people can make what they want. Of course, I'll have to help my younger son, but again, trying to use up food that we have on hand. If I use any recipes, they'll be linked below, but you need to check out this butter chicken meal, see what the fuss is about, why we have it so frequently. My family loves it. I absolutely love it. And you can check out the video on how I make it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, donna ciao.